popcorn dito. Caramel, salt. Meron tayong different flavors of ice cream. And pastry. And sa tea. Cafe. Di ba yan basa dyan?
Ay, favorite nila ito, oh.
Yung ice cream Ayan ang menu. Pili tayo ang tamig dito. Pag hindi ko marunong basahin.
Hi guys, we are here in what's the name of the coffee shop? Brother, what's the name of the coffee shop, brother? Please visit. Bisaya. Visit. Please visit the coffee shop with the team coffee. We are here in the team coffee. Because we are because we have sahud, but tomorrow see. Where is go? Where is go?
Where's go?
Where is go?
Nasalay na, where's go?
Can I order one Kit Kat? Kit Kat at Rapipeti.
Saka sticker.
Hindi ako makan.
Kasi mainit eh. Ay, metro tayo.
Ay, sana ako nabidro.